Of course I'm the best landscaper. I've got a college degree in entrepreneurship. Of course I'm the best landscaper. I got a master's degree. Of course I'm the best landscaper. I'm an ISA certified arborist. Of course I'm the best landscaper. I'm NCMA certified in retaining wall construction. Of course I'm the best landscaper. I'm CMHA certified in concrete paver installation. Of course I'm the best landscaper. I'm a certified tree injector. Of course I'm the best landscaper. We design, install, and maintain irrigation systems. Of course I'm the best landscaper. I design outdoor spaces and planting layouts. Of course I'm the best landscaper. We provide detailed proposals in writing, often with a sketch. Of course I'm the best landscaper. Look at these stripes from my mowing crew. Of course I'm the best landscaper. Look how lush and green this lawn is from our lawn treatment program. Of course I'm the best landscaper. I'm Jeff Gabris with Gabris Landscaping, right here in Springfield, Missouri. Give us a call, 417-837-1578, or honestly, you can do it all yourself online. Go to GabrisLandscaping.com. We got our self-estimator for your maintenance side, and you can schedule a consultation right there. You can see our schedule. Look forward to talking to you guys soon.